went to, back then. He spoke about the same list. I think it's something that we do. Normally when we make a deal, you said, I sell your house, then after I sell your house, then I lose contact with you, which is something that is wrong. It's something that we shouldn't do. So every client that you have assisted, you need to maintain contact with them, because those people, they'll help you to get more deals. Some of them, the kind of service that you offer to them, they'll refer other clients to you because of how you conduct your business. So it's very, very important that we maintain relationship with all our clients. Whether you've assisted them in terms of finding the house, you've sold the house and whatnot, but maintaining a healthy relationship with all our clients, it's important. Another thing is, when it's their birthday, make sure you don't miss it. When it's their anniversary, marriage, whatever, those are some of the things that you do in order for you to keep maintaining that contact, a relationship with your clients. And that's another way of getting business, because it's not about just selling it and that's the end of it. That relationship, it's something that you must build it, work on it, then that's how you're going to get a business. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
I love that. I think you